Welcome. This is a quick walkthrough of Qlerify, the collaborative software modeling tool. First off, we are going to go through some terms used in the Qlerify app. What's an organization? An organization is an entity that runs one or several development projects. An organization can have several projects. What's a project? A project is a placeholder for your development initiatives. A project belongs to an organization. What's a workflow? A workflow is your collaboration workspace. It is similar to a board in Miro or figma if you have used those tools. A project can include several workflows. You can share a workflow with an unlimited amount of viewers, and they don't need to have an account in Qlerify. What's an event? An event is a step in your business process or user journey. What are cards? Cards are configurable items that are linked to events and can be a user story, a business rule, command, a system, a UI sketch, or anything else your developers need to know. Let's start with looking at organizations. When you create your account, you will also create an organization. If you wish to edit your existing organization or create another, you can do it here. You can then move on to creating a project. When creating a project, you can invite team members to your project like this. Now you can move on to create a workflow. The upper diagram part of a workflow can be a business process, a user journey, or a value stream where you can map out, for example, the process for ordering a pizza like this. You can easily move around events to change your workflow however you like. You can also add decisions, subprocesses, or swim lanes to your workflow. Changes can be done by all team members at the speed of thought, which allows you to visualize complex process discussions with many stakeholders in real time. This capability is very handy during event storming or brainstorming workshops. A diagram can have multiple starting points, and you can also create groups that allow you to group events and place them at the desired location on the timeline like this. You can add more content to your flowcharts by adding cards. The card types are fully configurable, and you can add, edit, or remove card types in the settings in the top right part of your diagram. You can add, for example, policies, user stories, UI sketches, systems, or read models to your workflow, or basically anything your developers need to know, and through the legend, users can easily understand the different card types that have been configured for a particular workflow. The legend stays continuously updated when you edit the types. This flexibility allows you to select the modeling framework of your choice. All the cards you add to your workflow will appear in a backlog under the diagram. You can easily drag and drop cards up or down to the desired position in the backlog like this. You can also move a card to another event by selecting the new event like this. Another way to visualize the cards in your workspace is to apply user story mapping. You can assign a release to a card and move cards between releases or iterations simply by moving them up or down like this. You can also move the cards between events simply by moving them sideways or dragging them to another event like this. If you like, you can apply a release filter to the entire workspace by using the release filter like this. Once you are done with your model, you can export your content to CSV, JSON, or PDF files. The backlog with cards can be exported to your Jira Cloud or Azure DevOps instance through API integration. To export cards to Jira or Azure DevOps, simply log in to your Jira Cloud or Azure DevOps instance. Install the Qlerify app and follow the instructions at www.qlerify.com/Jira or www.qlerify.com/Azure DevOps. The cards will appear in the backlog of your Jira or Azure DevOps project. The Qlerify tool can also be used for data modeling, domain modeling, and code generation. These features, as well as the AI features, are covered in other videos. Thank you for watching. Sign up for free by clicking the link in the description and check out our YouTube channel for more videos.